Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Live with Bob. Um, Today I am doing something a little unusual. I am testing out my new camera. It's my Akaso Brave camera, and I just wanted to see how it works a certain way. And I'm gonna drive around for about 10 minutes or so in my neighborhood. I am in my Florida home, not in Jamaica. You can tell I'll be driving on the right hand side, so you can tell. So I'm going to be testing out my camera, um, starting from my home to the neighborhood, and see if I can get a little feedback on how it works for 10 minutes or so. Alright, so okay, do. So what's going on here? Looks like some construction. Okay, so this is West Palm Beach area of Florida. Many neighborhoods are pretty much the same. Pretty much, homes, what they call a cookie cutter home, where most of them look alike. Most of the homes, people try to differentiate them with colors and stuff, and sometimes there's a little different size, but they pretty much the same. We are heading east in my neighborhood, and the camera is not on. I didn't put it on. I didn't put on any special features on it. I just wanted to see how it works. So I'm holding it freehand. No stabilizer is turned on. Just want to see how it works as I go over the speed bumps in the neighborhood, and if I hit any potholes, which thank God there's no potholes really. Speed bump. Okay. Come to think of it, I should have been doing a review on this camera, because since this is pretty much a review, I'm not doing a review though, guys. I don't. I use cameras, but it doesn't mean I know a whole lot about vlogging cameras. I just wanted to test out how it works by driving around in my neighborhood. And to be fair to the camera, I did not turn on any stabilizer or any special features on it. I'm just driving with the camera just to do a little run test. All right. It's been what time? I've been almost 4 minutes now, so I just want to run it for 10 minutes and see how it will function. So while I'm doing this, maybe I should give you a little panoramic view of my neighborhood. This is nothing but a test. So 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Alright, let me try and see if I can head on back, because I really only want to use 10 minutes of my time. You can tell when I go over the speed bumps because I had to slow down. And, okay. Let me be careful here because I have police sitting right there in the corner. Okay. Come around. Oops. Alright, hold on. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'm heading west on my way back to my house. Now, a lot of Florida communities are gated community. If you just passed, we just passed the main gate out there. Um, the United States is fairly safe on its face, but because many of these states are what you call Second Amendment states, it means that you are generally living among lots of people who carry or own firearms. And the fact that you have firearms, it is possible that some unscrupulous people will be committing crimes. And so crimes sometimes plague a lot of areas, even though you don't see it, because there's a lot of social engineering that goes on. So people don't really see the crime that's happening, because if a lot of people see the crimes that's happening, a lot of people would not move into certain areas or want to invest in certain areas or come as visitors, tourists to the area. So they kind of engineer it a certain way. But yeah, there's a lot of crimes that do go on. You just don't see it. Yes, a lot of communities are gated communities for that reason. All right, I'm heading back home. I'm just about home, so I'm gonna end this video and then go analyze how the video actually works. Oh, it worked out. All right. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching my camera test. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob, and I'll probably tell you how my camera works out. Thanks again for watching.